everybody, welcome back to the channel, and yes, shop day. Now, what are we doing on shop day today? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have the epic 4i. Oh, there's Cody. Let's see the sweat rag. Cody, sweat rag. Yes, excellent. And it's hot, so we've got popsicles. Gotta have popsicles. But we got Corey's wicked 4i in here. Corey, what are we about to do here, dude?
I put a dipstick tube in and
yes,
transmission pin gasket.
So everybody's been wondering, Corey, are we gonna do a poll today?
We're gonna do a poll today.
Fuck yeah. Oh, bad language, can't do that. Is the nitrous on, or we're just doing motor today?
Just motor.
Okay, that's plenty though.
Motor two-step.
Yeah, hit it on the two-step, baby. All right, guys, so if you haven't been paying attention to the channel, well, shame on you if you're not, because you're missing all kinds of stuff. Anyway, let's give you a quick update. You remember this car? We put the transmission in it. This is the two-owner car. Let's check this dude out real quick. See how she's doing. Give her a fire. Listen to that. Listen to her. Yes. The two-owner 89 GT, all tuned up with a new clutch. Also has brand new heater core. But as you can hear, she is happy and healthy, and that just does my heart good. We still got to do some adjustments on the exhaust, because as you can hear, it's kind of rattling, but there you go. She's good to go. Now, what else do we have? Hey, what's this here? Is this Mr. Hankey? Look at there. So, if you missed the last upload, you need to go back and watch it, because yes, ladies and gentlemen, we did the first fire on her greatness, Mr. Hankey. She is 100% good to go. Oh, okay, well, maybe the battery's dead. But yes, go back and watch the video, because Mr. Hankey is alive and well, and my car, well, not yet. It's coming. All right, guys, so back in the shop, we've got all kinds of things going on under here.
Yeah, a bunch of fluid dripping.
Uh-oh, that's not good. We're doing some dipstick tubing. Sorry about the fans, it's really hot in here. But getting her all fixed up. The WINDSOR POWER 4i. See how we're looking under here.
Park.
Getting her adjusted out. Fluids in. Corey, how you feeling? Feeling confident? Hell yeah. We're gonna kill some tires today, right? Like if you need like a hand like starting it up or anything, I'd be glad to help you out.
Blow them off.
Yeah.
Blow it up.
No, let's not do that. You just got it back going. All right, hit it. Make sure she's in park. Yeah, that was really good. Right. Make sure there's no leakies. That looks good. Look down here. That's old fluid. Doesn't look like anything's leaking. Man, that WINDSOR though, God bless. She's a little rich. Just a little rich. But who cares, right? Yeah, just take it all in for a minute. Alright, time to test her out. Went in gear good. Yeah, buddy. Not too far. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's been one hell of a day out at the shop. We got some Windsor poles. The car's still not 100%, so we weren't able to bring it up on the two-step and really launch it. But, Cody, was it good for you too?
Oh yeah, it's always good.
I mean, it's so hot out here. Cody actually has 2 sweat rags with him today. Dude, that is, like, this is a monumental moment. Monumental moment. Okay, but anyway, so we're gonna get that car tightened up. We're gonna get everything kind of figured out on Mr. Hankey. My car will be back together. Wait, back together, yeah. It'll be running here before you know it. So I promise you, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you're totally doing yourself a disservice. So make sure you do that. Hit that like button and catch you up on the next upload. Later.